Everyone loves pizza and the smoky flavors of outdoor cooking, and what better way to enjoy it with your family and friends than having a dinner party in your backyard? If that's something you want to do, then get ready, because in this video, we'll be listing down the top 5 wood-fired outdoor ovens available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best wood-fired outdoor ovens. The 5th product on this list is the Aidpiza SP120-R. If you're a pizza enthusiast who craves the perfect crispy crust and smoky wood-fired flavor, then the Aidpiza SP120-R is your culinary dream come true. This exceptional outdoor pizza oven is equipped with an array of features that makes it a must-have for any pizza lover or outdoor cooking enthusiast. For starters, it comes with a rotating stand for protection so you can finally say goodbye to unevenly cooked pizzas. This stand empowers you to effortlessly rotate the pizza stone. This ingenious feature ensures an even distribution of heat, resulting in a perfectly crisp and delicious pizza crust that will leave your taste buds dancing with delight. Achieving the ideal cooking temperature has never been easier. With its built-in thermometer, you can effortlessly monitor the oven's internal temperature, allowing you to stay in control of your cooking process. Whether you're aiming for a wood-fired pizza or a perfectly grilled delight, precision is at your fingertips. That's not all. This outdoor pizza oven is designed with your convenience in mind. The foldable design of its 4 legs makes it highly portable and easy to store, perfect for outdoor adventures, camping trips, picnics, and more. Take your pizza making skills on the road. Its pros are: it uses hardwood pellets, delivering a balanced and reliable burn. It's very easy to install and use right away, and it's extremely portable, so you can easily bring it and cook pizza freely anywhere. However, it requires a continuous supply of wood pellets as fuel, so you need to ensure you have an adequate stock of pellets on hand. With the Aidpiza SP120-R, you can elevate your outdoor cooking game to new heights. Don't settle for mediocre pizza experiences. Make your gatherings memorable with this remarkable outdoor pizza oven. Up next, in 4th place, is the BERTELLO GRANDE. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that brings the soul of Neapolitan pizza straight to your backyard? Look no further than the BERTELLO GRANDE, a wood-fired marvel that will elevate your pizza-making game to a whole new level. Experience the enchantment of wood-fired cooking in your very own outdoor oasis. With this outdoor oven, you have the power to preheat the oven using gas, then introduce your favorite wood chips or coal blocks for that authentic smoky touch. In no time, you'll be cooking like a true pizzaiolo, creating Neapolitan masterpieces that rival the best pizzerias. What's more, versatility is at your fingertips with this outdoor oven. You can choose to cook your pizza with gas alone or harness the dynamic combination of gas and wood simultaneously. This dual fuel capability not only expedites preheating but also imparts a distinct smoky flavor that will delight your taste buds. You can say goodbye to endless waiting. Using propane gas, this oven can preheat to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit in as fast as 10 minutes. That means your pizza cravings can be satisfied quickly, with no compromises on quality. So why wait? Bring the essence of Neapolitan tradition to your outdoor cooking experience and become the pizzaiolo you've always wanted to be. Its pros are: it is built to withstand the elements, even in sub-zero temperatures. It includes the pizza maker oven, a gas burner, a wood tray, and a generous 16 by 16 inch pizza stone. And its dual burner system rapidly heats the stone and oven to a high temperature and keeps them there through multiple pizzas. However, its outer casing can get significantly hotter than others on this list, especially if you're using wood alongside the gas, which could be a safety concern. The BERTELLO GRANDE is perfect for avid home chefs and pizza enthusiasts who crave the authentic taste of wood-fired Neapolitan pizzas in the comfort of their own backyard. Still haven't found a wood-fired outdoor oven that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven. Experience the art of homemade pizza like never before with the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven. Channeling the rich traditions of Italian pizza craftsmanship, this oven empowers backyard artisans to create memorable culinary moments. You'll be able to craft your own delectable pizza variations infused with the unbeatable flavor of wood-fired cooking, and relish a crust that's twice as crisp as anything from a conventional oven. What makes this oven stand out is its functional design that is meant for pizza perfection. Setting up your pizza-making haven is a breeze thanks to its ingenious demi-dome construction and panoramic opening. These features make maneuvering, launching pizzas, and stoking your fire as effortless as setting the dinner table. Easy access ensures that crafting extraordinary pizzas becomes an everyday joy. That's not it. This outdoor oven's intuitive design caters to both seasoned chefs and beginners alike, making delicious pizzas achievable for everyone. With optimized heat distribution and minimal heat loss, you can bake longer using less fuel, all while achieving superior results. The included pizza stone heats up to a maximum of 750 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering that coveted Italian-style crispy base with every pie. So get ready and make every meal an occasion worth savoring, and order your pie pizza oven today. Its pros are: it bridges the gap between tradition and modern convenience without compromise with its dual fuel flexibility. It's crafted from resilient 304 stainless steel, which means it's built to withstand the test of time, and its compact and portable design makes it easily relocated to accommodate your needs. However, it has an oddly shaped pizza stone, so it can be tricky to center pizzas correctly. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to elevate your pizza game or a beginner seeking to create delicious pies with ease, the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven is designed to cater to all levels of culinary expertise. The second product on this list is the Ooni Karu. Now let's discover the Ooni Karu, your ultimate pizza perfecting companion. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game, then this oven is perfect for you. It's a powerhouse of innovation designed to help you craft the perfect Neapolitan-style pizza right in your backyard. This outdoor oven is a true culinary chameleon. You can easily start your flavor journey with wood or charcoal right out of the box, infusing your dishes with a delightful wood-fired taste for ultimate cooking flexibility. You can also pair it with the Ooni gas burner to unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Picture this. This powerful oven heats up to a scorching 950 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes, allowing you to savor fresh, flame-cooked pizza in a mere 60 seconds. Isn't that perfect? This blistering heat is the secret to crafting authentic Neapolitan-style pizza, ensuring that every bite is a symphony of flavor. What's more, you can take full control of your cooking experience with its innovative features. You can also monitor the internal temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius and unleash your inner pizza maestro. Overall, this is a must-have, especially if you want to enjoy your weekend pizza party outdoors. Its pros are: its fully insulated oven body and mounted digital thermometer provide precise temperature regulation, empowering you to cook with confidence. It features a full glass oven door design so you can keep an eye on your creations, and its carbon steel shell boasts a high temperature resistant powder coated finish, delivering improved insulation and weather resistance. However, the gas hookup attachment needs to be bought separately. Unleash your inner pizzaiolo and elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Ooni Karu. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a pizza novice, this versatile high-performance oven is designed to help you create culinary masterpieces. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best wood-fired outdoor oven is the Ninja 00101 Outdoor Oven. Transform your outdoor cooking game with the Ninja, the ultimate outdoor pizza oven that sets a new standard in versatility and flavor. With 8-in-1 functionality, it's your culinary secret weapon, capable of crafting a tantalizing range of dishes that will delight your guests. Choose from 5 distinct settings, including Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and frozen, all masterfully cooked at a scorching 700 degrees Fahrenheit. These settings guarantee impeccable textures and flavors, complete with the perfect char, caramelization, blistering, and crunch. But it doesn't stop at pizza. This outdoor oven can handle your entire outdoor cooking repertoire. Whether it's a 12-pound turkey, a 9-pound pork shoulder, or a succulent 12-pound prime rib with a medley of veggies, it's up to the task. Craving those mouth-watering smoky notes? Look no further. This oven lets you infuse your creations with authentic barbecue flavors, using just half a cup of pellets at temperatures reaching 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're grilling, smoking, or roasting, that unbeatable smokiness is at your fingertips. Plus, this package includes not only the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven, but also essential accessories like the Pro Heat Pan, Pizza Stone, Roast Rack, Accessory Frame, Pellet Scoop, and an all-purpose blend starter pack. With all the tools you need, your outdoor culinary adventure is ready to begin. Cook every meal conveniently and perfectly while using wood pellets to give that awesome smoky flavor. Say goodbye to ordinary outdoor cooking and embrace the extraordinary with the Ninja. Its pros are: it delivers 3-minute, no-fuss pizzas that require no turning. It uses electric heat, so you have full control over temperatures ranging from 105 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. It can cook full meals up to 40% faster than indoor ovens. And it's built for year-round outdoor cooking and storage, so you can enjoy your outdoor oven in any season. However, it requires that the oven be located close to an electrical outlet. The Ninja 00101 outdoor oven is a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want the convenience of an all-in-one outdoor kitchen appliance capable of grilling, smoking, roasting, and baking with that smoky flavor we all love. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.